And we were at the point where we said it goes to show that when someone tries to do good for someone, something always happens. So we got us a butter dish right here. By the way, I'm lucky to even be here. Seriously. I had to take a break because you ever sucked a piece of resin the size of a damn gobstopper down your throat? Yeah. About choke. About one that sizzles. Hit you in the back of the damn throat. Stop smoking, kids. It's not good. We gotta do this. Alright, so we got and we got our choice of weapons. What do you want? Switchblade or the one with the gator grill? I'm going with the switchblade. And what we're gonna do, like it matters if there's a fucking dog hair on it. I'm gonna pour me some of this 99 damn 99. Don't matter, get the shit everywhere. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It ain't H2O. I'm gonna swirl this little thing. Oh. Pump the brakes, pump the brakes. You better put you something down or you will get shit everywhere. Gotta clean that too. I didn't even think about it. But she is our sticky. There was a smoker in that house. That right. Alright, let's see. Now what are we doing? Let me clean this battery off so I can get it out of my way. Look, that's a good scene right there. Yeah. The damn camera's the size of Big B. Oh yeah, I see you. I see you laughing. Oh yeah. See, that's what I like. I like getting right up in there. Yep. Long strokes. Oh, she's gonna come out clean. Brush her again. Oh yeah, brush it back. Don't that feel good? God, she's probably ain't had a clean like this.